Hi friends, I wanted to show you the grinding noise I was receiving in my Ford Explorer from the backside with the worn out brake pads, a bad rotor and a bad calipers. Look at that sound. It was coming right off when I was braking and when I was starting back up. Yeah, I'm sure you heard it. You will hear it again when I make this next stop. I'll show it to you one more time. I had to replace the brake pads, the rotor and the calipers. It all worked good after that. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please post a message and I'll respond as soon as possible.